Before beginning any treatment methods, first look at any areas that bats are using to come in and out of your home. This will be an important step so that you can close these off later on in your treatment plan. To locate these entrances, look for openings in attics and your roof. Bats usually enter buildings in high areas. Watch the outside of your building right before sunset, which is when the bats will fly out to hunt for food. Seeing them leave will allow you to isolate the area where they're coming from. Inspect inside your attic or another area where you've heard or smelled something. Bats like to hide in dark corners during the day when they roost, but you still might be able to see where they are congregating. Once you know the point of entry, you can focus your inspection there rather than spending time going over your entire house. Carefully use a ladder and a flashlight to shine into corners and eaves along your roof and windows. Any bat entrance will likely be marked with brown stains from grease and oils as well as guano and urine. Repellents. Your next step should be to make the bats' living space as inhospitable as possible so they'll be encouraged to move elsewhere. You can do this with a variety of options. Liquid and gel repellents. Store-bought liquid and gel repellents are made up of a variety of ingredients, but they're usually non-toxic and drive away bats with their odor and taste. These repellents are easiest to use in spray form so that you can quickly cover every place the bats use. However, wait until they are gone at night before using them. For these products to remain active, you must usually reapply them every 30 days or so, but you should always read the specific instructions beforehand. Ultrasonic repellents. Ultrasonic repellents emit high-pitched sound waves that irritate bats and a variety of other pests while remaining undetectable to people. You can purchase different types of these devices in stores or online. These often come with a motion detector so that they only turn on when bats fly nearby, thus saving battery. 3. Your home has become undesirable to bats. It's time to exclude them from your property. One-way exclusion devices specifically made for bats are available in stores. They are designed to fit on top of any hole which bats have been using as an entryway. These devices are usually a one-way valve or tube that allows bats to exit the attic without making their way back inside. Use them after you've treated your attic with repellents, but before you permanently seal off the points of entry. After using the exclusion devices, you'll need to perform another inspection similar to the initial one you performed in order to find the bat entrances. On this second inspection, pay more attention to the areas inside your home where the bats were roosting to see if any remain. Also check for any additional holes or cracks outside where more bats could find their way inside. Once you've determined that there are no bats left inside your house, and after you've successfully identified all of the areas where they came in, seal off the points of entry to prevent future infestations. This step could require a variety of materials depending on where the holes are. You could require new shingles, wood, plaster, caulk, or even new window panes. To be especially sure that the problem is taken care of, you could also hire a contractor to complete a full inspection of your home and use the best materials for the job. Pro tip: repelling and excluding bats are the best methods for getting rid of them. Never try to trap or kill them, as this is often illegal and can be very dangerous as the bats will become agitated and can injure you or themselves. Furthermore, removing bat carcasses is much more difficult than excluding the live animals. If you do happen to come in contact with house bats, visit your doctor immediately if you experience flu-like symptoms. This could be a sign of rabies or another disease carried by the bat. 4. Clean the affected areas. Clean off affected area. The biggest effect of a bat infestation is the damage caused by their waste. Once the bats are gone, immediately turn your attention to cleaning up their mess in order to prevent further damage. Before cleaning, dress properly in a long-sleeved shirt and pants while wearing gloves and a face mask or respirator. This will prevent you from coming in direct contact with bat guano, which can transmit a variety of diseases. Use a vacuum to collect dried droppings. If there are droppings that are stuck to the ground, scrape them off before vacuuming them up. Scrub the entire area with a cleaning solution specifically designed to break down biological matter. Throw out any affected rugs, carpeting, or furniture that can't be cleaned. Pro tip: cleaning up a previously infested bat area is usually the most dangerous part of dealing with an infestation. Bat urine and guano contains infectious diseases, and it is highly recommended to contact a professional cleaning crew. Homeowners insurance may also cover the cost of cleaning and treating your infestation. Since a bat infestation requires heavy-duty inspection and cleaning, it isn't an easy do-it-yourself project. However, you can prevent future problems by trying out some bat-repellent recipes and tactics at home. The essential oil. Ingredients: 32 ounces water, 1/2 cup sugar, 20 drops essential oil of your choice, peppermint, cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus or mint. Essential oil spray. Bats are averse to many types of essential oils, which they find too strong and unpleasant. You can mix your own essential oil spray to apply liberally throughout the affected area inside your house. When to call a pro. These methods are cheap and effective ways to combat small bat problems, but not enough to treat multiple nests plaguing your home, or even a single large nest. Bats can be one of the hardest wildlife pests to get rid of. While they most commonly invade attics, a bat colony can easily make their way inside your insulation, vents, and crawl spaces, slowly destroying your walls and foundation. This is why hiring an expert could be your best option. A wildlife control service will perform a full inspection to successfully locate the bats, while also determining their exact species. This enables them to tailor a multi-step, integrated plan for your house and family. These professionals are equipped with the best tools for maintaining their safety while coming in contact with bats and their waste. Tools you probably will neither have on hand or want to purchase on your own. A wildlife expert can also partner with contractors and cleaning crews to take care of sealing and cleaning your home without incurring extra costs. Better yet, many companies offer satisfaction guarantees in which they'll continue trying methods until the problem has been solved or refund your money.